Romania Work Visa Guide. 1 lakh plus job vacancies nationwide. Romania continues to hire foreign workers due to labor shortages in construction, logistics, manufacturing, agriculture, hospitality, IT, and healthcare. Official data is tracked by the National Institute of Statistics and labor authorities. Average salary 1,000 to 1,300 euros per month. The national average gross monthly salary ranges from around 5,000 to 6,500, with higher wages in Bucharest and in the technical sectors. Stable labor market demand. Romania maintains consistent workforce demand, especially for skilled and semi-skilled non-EU workers. 40 hours per week standard schedule. Full-time employment is based on a 40-hour working week under the Romanian Labor Code. Minimum 20 paid leave days per year. Employees are entitled to at least 20 paid annual leave days plus official public holidays. Minimum wage around 650 to 700 euros per month. Romania has a statutory national minimum wage set by the government and updated regularly. Flat 10% income tax. Romania applies a 10% personal income tax rate.